Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Toyota Prius V Hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use this trip button over here, this kilometer and miles per hour button over here, and we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. We're going to be looking at that audio. Make sure it's on the trip A. You go ahead and press that trip button and go find trip A, just like that. Now after that, you're gonna have to turn off your car. Now at the same time, go ahead and press that kilometer button and hold it and turn your car back on without starting, and you should see the runners blinking just like that. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.